Good morning. We're out here in the gym for Tuesday morning workout. We have an upper body routine. So the upper body workout will be 3 sets of 10 on our main lift, which is incline bench. And then we've got 3 sets of 12 on 2 auxiliary lifts. The auxiliary lifts are chest flies and tricep extensions. So we've got the incline bench set up here, starting out with 115. Going to be easy on the shoulders here. The incline kind of hit the shoulders a little bit more, so I want to make sure I don't do anything detrimental to the shoulders to reverse gear them or anything like that anyway. So yeah, we're going to see how this feels. Hopefully I can get on to 135 and maybe beyond. We'll see what happens, but we've got 4 sets to work on that. And then we'll head out on a walk, come back and chat, and we'll be done. So welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Let's hit this old workout and get her done. Let's do it. Here we go. Right, Tuesday's workout and Tuesday's walk is done. So yeah, upper body went well. It's been a while since I've done incline bench. I crawled my way on up to 145, I think is where I ended. That was tough. It was that last 2 reps, but that was a good workout. Felt good. And the shoulders, very little pain. I mean, a little bit more than flat bench, but flat bench is pretty smooth. This one, I can feel the shoulders a little bit, but yeah, no, it felt good to be able to get in the incline and be able to do the plate worth of weight. Of course, I had the 35s on, but yeah, no, 35s, 10s, and 5s is what I ended at. So started with 115 and did 125, 35, and then 145. So 4 sets of 10. So yeah, no, that felt good to get under the old incline bench and do some reps with 135. So it felt good. And then I wore myself with that. So then when I got to the chest flies, they were sets of 12 instead of sets of 10, and I still grabbed the 50s. And I knew when I finished the second set, those last couple reps were pretty tough. And I was like, oh, this last set's gonna be tough. What's gonna happen? And I just barely did finish the last 4 or 5 reps. Maybe not 5, last 4 reps were tough. Mostly the last 2 reps. I had to take a breath, you know, in between the rep 11 and rep 12. So yeah, but made for a good workout. And then the tricep extensions, I probably should have pushed it a little harder there, but I just did 60 pounds for 3 sets of 12, and probably should have added a 5 maybe, but anyway, yeah, no, it was a good workout anyway. Then we went out on a walk, and it was walk and a little bit higher intensity than yesterday's walk. You know, wasn't intentionally slow. Walked kind of a normal pace, so it was under 16, I think, high 15s probably. I didn't look at it, but I was doing just under 8-minute half miles, so 750s or so. So it'll be in the 15s is where we're at, high 15s. So anyway, got a good workout in, so we're done for Tuesday. We'll be out here tomorrow for active rest day. Most likely some sort of stretch routine, and then a walk jog. So we'll pick that back up. I tell you what, from yesterday's lunges, been so long since I've done lunges. My old bum, I tell you what, my bum. Yesterday, my groin was sore, my adductors, you know, inner thighs, they were sore yesterday while doing the lunges, and by the end of yesterday, my old bum was just sore. I didn't even hardly want to squat down to sit. So yeah, yesterday's leg workout was good. Got a good glute workout, and it's still a little bit sore today. Hopefully that soreness will be gone. Hopefully this walked it out. I mean, I stepped it up a little bit just for that purpose, to get some blood flow through all that. And anyway, so we are done with Tuesday. All right, so we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Tuesday. Get on with the week. We'll start tomorrow. We're heading up that hill. We're almost over the hump. We'll get over this Tuesday, and then we'll be up the hump on Wednesday. So you guys take care. Have a great Tuesday. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. This is Sojourner Vision. You guys take care. Be safe. See ya.